In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Higgsfield AI stuck in queue. If your generation has been sitting in the queue for longer than expected, the first thing to do is simply wait a few minutes. Higgsfield jobs normally enter a queue before they begin processing, and when the platform is busy, wait times can increase. So before trying anything else, give it a little time to see if it starts on its own. Next, check whether you're using unlimited generation. That option usually runs through a shared standard queue, which can be noticeably slower during periods of high demand. If that's the case, the delay may be normal rather than a sign that something is broken. You should also check your available credits. If you're using credit-based generation instead of unlimited access, make sure your account still has enough credits to process the request. A lack of credits can prevent a generation from moving forward. After that, refresh Higgsfield in your browser and see whether the generation starts. Sometimes the queue status doesn't update correctly in real time, and a simple page refresh can help sync the interface. If that doesn't work, open Higgsfield in a new tab, sign in again, and then check your generation history or queue from there. This can help confirm whether the issue is with the current session or just the page you were viewing. It's also a good idea to try a different browser. Use the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, since supported and up-to-date browsers tend to work best for troubleshooting platform issues. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted cache data can sometimes cause the site interface to behave incorrectly, especially with queue updates or stuck loading states. Another useful step is to temporarily disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or anything that could interfere with website scripts. These can occasionally disrupt how Higgsfield loads or updates its status. Make sure your internet connection is stable as well. If needed, switch networks or restart your router, because a weak or inconsistent connection can make a job appear stuck when it's really a communication issue. If only one generation seems frozen, try creating a new generation as a test. Just avoid submitting the same request over and over, because that may create extra queue jobs and make things worse. You should also check whether Higgsfield is experiencing an outage or scheduled maintenance. Look for updates through official announcements or community channels. If the generation stays stuck for a long time, contact Higgsfield support and include helpful details like screenshots, error messages, your device type, and browser information. You can also use Higgsfield's Discord community for quicker product support. And if you're using the API or CLI, check the request status carefully. A job marked as queued means it has been accepted and is still waiting to run, while other states may show in progress, failed, or completed. Also, don't assume your credits are gone right away, since failed API generations are documented as being refunded.